Are we artsy enough for this place or what?
Fuck yeah, I've had 6 beers, mate.
Yeah, g'day.
G'day.
We're in Tasmania. Yeah, g'day. We're in Tasmania. How good. Yesterday we did all the travel stuff. Good. Thanks for the ride. And then we got the van, which we're in now. Yep. Home for the next 2 weeks, eh? And then we went and caught up with my auntie that I haven't seen in a long time.
Got destroyed by the bushfire.
Hello.
Every kiss, every hug, let me stay in your arms.
And then this morning, we thought we'd get up for sunrise and go to Mount Wellington and look at the beautiful view. And well, it's cloudy and foggy. We can't see a thing, but we gave it a shot. Just did a hike down to O'Grady Falls. Man, that was hard. That was hectic. It was like this the whole way. We're not fit, but we got some cool photos. You'll see. What's next, Melons?
I'm not sure.
Now, because it's Valentine's Day and our anniversary, we're going to go on a little boat cruise, have some drinks, just check out some stuff. I don't know, Mel's organised everything. I'm not really sure what's happening, but it should be some fun.
Pretty luxurious. I've got a furry wall. Can skull up here.
What are you doing?
Doing a little wine tasting at the Marilla celebration at Mona. We're writing a few little tactical notes here so that when we put a fire later we'll spend all our savings. Boobaroo roulette. So you pay and then you hope to get the better beer, not the Foster's Classic. Oh, we got the beer we like. Woo!
Are we artsy enough for this place or what?
Fuck yeah, I've had 6 beers, mate.
So this museum's too weird for me, so we're just going to explore. I'm going to take a few photos. It's too much. It's too much.